1, 2, 3.
Come on. Let's have fun together. Sing together.
I look with my own eyes, I hear with my own ears. Come on, come on, come on, let us know the shapes. My uncle had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. My uncle had 7 sons. I had 3 birds at home. Zoo-zoo-dee-da-boo-boo. There's a boy who's called a Zeus. He was out walking around.
Learn together. Toyor Baby English together. Subscribe with us. Toyor Baby English, my beautiful world.